tell what is the exact period in which a prophet who proclaims that God has revealed to him, after how many years exactly?
We don't know exactly after how many years, but generally when he has reached his maturity of mind, and his character normally at the age when the human character is stabilized. So mostly it is reported about prophets that they are revealed by God to declare to themselves to be a prophet after or during the age of 40. But about Hazrat Isa alayhi salatu wasalam, it is reported by authentic sources that he was appointed a prophet at the age of 33. So still it is an age of this stability and maturity of mind.